Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video today, and this is going to be not just a shopping haul but also going to be a shopping experience kind of it. I have recently shopped a little bit from an online shopping site called S-Buys. If you subscribe or if you read magazines like Femina or Cosmopolitan, you definitely know it because they generally advertise like frequently in these magazines. I thought I'll just shop a little and see how it is. Another thing is there's very less information about these sites available, in terms of different experiences by other bloggers and so I just thought this would be a great video for you guys to know whether you should shop from this site or not. So let's get started. So basically this is my package. I had ordered three stuffs like 2 tops and 1 dress about 2 weeks ago, and then after I got my order, I checked all the products. The problem is there were problems with 2 of my products. One of the top was sent the wrong size by their side, and another thing was the dress was defective. It was an off-shoulder dress with the strap, and one of the straps was shorter than the other one, so there was like a mismatch in the balance. So I called them up and they immediately picked it up, and I told them that these are the problems and I want to return the items. Is it possible to get a refund or not? And they told me that I could send them the items back, and they would not return me the money, but they can replace them with other products that I would like. And one of the products they can give the right size. Now the thing was, I was really worried because I don't know the site and I did not know how the whole procedure was going to happen. Luckily, the best thing was that they from their side sent me the new products way before I gave them the old ones. I have still not given them the old products. They haven't come to pick up it yet, but they have already sent me the new ones and they fit really nicely. Coming from my starting experience, I bought these 3 items from the sale section. So they were all on really huge sale. I got this each for around like 500-400 rupees. The great thing is that once you register with S-Buys, you get a coupon for 500 rupees, which is applicable on a purchase of 1000. So you can use this coupon on your first purchase. So I immediately got a discount of 500 rupees. I got it for really cheap. It was like around 800 rupees for 3 stuffs, which was great. So I'll quickly show you the items and tell you how it is and did I like it or not. First item that I will show you guys, the one that I kept, and the item that was really proper as per my requirements from the first package itself. It was this blush colored, if you can see, it was this blush colored baby pink blush colored spaghetti camisole type top with these string cross necks back. So it's really cute and sexy at the same time. Great thing about this is the color is perfect. There's a layering going on here. Though the fitting is a little odd, I kind of feel like the strings really need to be pulled down to get that feel. But it's still a great top for summer and for my casual, when I'm like at home, or even if I want to go out like with jeans, this will look good. I ordered this in L size and it fit me properly. On after discount, it was for around 200 rupees, which was great according to me. So I really like this thing. The only problem I have with this is the strings and also the material. I thought this would be more like a synthetic material, which would flow or something, but the problem is that it's a crepe cotton. So now crepe cotton materials tends to be creped out very fast. It becomes a little odd to handle, but in terms it's good because it's good for summer, so it's not synthetic, so it's good. But apart from that, it could have been better. I still liked it and I kept it, so I think I'll wear it soon and I'll show you how it looks on me. Second item that I want to show you guys is a dress that I bought. I got it as a replacement for the other dress that was defective. So this is this very pretty, beautiful mint colored lace detailing dress, which comes around just below my knees, so it's a very comfortable size. The length is really comfortable. I love the material. It's cotton, stretchable, the t-shirt materials that you get, and it's great for summers. It does have a very nice cut. There's a layering going on. There's a cut here, really comfortable. I love the back lace detailing. It looks really pretty and the color is so lovely. I really like this. This one was for 600 rupees. They did not even ask me for the price. They just said, ma'am, you pick anything for 600 and we're okay with the dress. So they just gave it to me, and this was like perfect. I could wear it at any place, lunch dates or going out, movies or anything. It's the best summer dress. It's so comfortable and the style of this dress is effortless and really cute. So it's a great buy. Now the last thing that I want to show you guys is the top that they sent me the wrong size, and I got this one, the new one, in L. So this is this really nice baby blue colored checks shirt. This is a very nice, very normal design shirt that can be worn with jeans. I wore it just yesterday when I went out, and this was so comfortable. The material is absolutely good. My mom loved it, so that's a great part. And the best part is it can be teamed down as a formal. It is a little bit tight at my hips, but it really looks nice. I thought it was great. This was also for around 200 rupees if I'm not wrong, or around less than 200, so it was great. I love this thing, and I think I'll wear this a lot because it's a very simple design. I was actually planning to buy something which was really something I would wear genuinely, so this was this. So these are the 3 items I bought. Another thing is I did pay prepay because if you go for COD, it's expensive. They charge you 100 rupees extra for COD, so I would suggest you to go for prepay. Best part was, even after they gave me the products, there was a difference of rupees 29, or not 29, so it was around 79 rupees difference that was there, because I was still left out 79 rupees in terms of the replacement money. And they told me that, ma'am, you don't have to worry, we'll send you out a voucher exclusively for you, which would be worth 100 rupees, so you can buy anything, or you can get a discount of 100 rupees on any of the stuff that you buy. They're giving me something more than the value of the money they were, supposed to give me. So it was great. The best part about this site is they literally sent me the stuff in within like 3 to 5 working days, so it was really quick. They did not question me much. They still haven't picked it up, but they have said that there's a pickup service, so I don't have to worry about sending them back with my own money. So that was the great part. Apart from that, they were so enthusiastic about giving me utmost service and replacing all the defective items, because the problems were from their side. Generally, to be noted, quoted, the sale items are not returnable or exchanged. If you don't like a stuff, you can't return it just like that. I could return it because there are defects. You cannot return it just because there is a size problem, I guess. So you have to be very careful about that. So be really careful when you're ordering stuff, whether you are ordering the right size or not. Go with the size chart. It is generally the standard sizes, so you don't have a problem with that. But definitely make sure that you pick up the right size. As far as they are on WhatsApp and they do answer all your calls and your queries. So I love the way the customer care was so involved in my problem, so that was a thumbs up. I love the customer care service. The products, it is your take, because there are few products which can be a little here and there. Apart from there, most of the products are really good, and they have a huge lot of variety on the sale portion of their website, so you can check that out and it would be really great. So I would suggest you go through the material and the price and everything. Go for this sale section more than the normal section, because there's a huge sale going on up to 70%. I would love you guys to check that out and get really good stuff. And so I really give a thumbs up to the customer care. They're working really hard. I just hope the people who are involved in the packing of this stuff are really careful from the next time, that they do not make these mistakes, because the company has to bear the cost. So overall, it was a really good experience. I do recommend this site at least once. Go through it, go through the catalog. Just don't order like that just because I'm saying. Order it only when you like something and you feel it's definitely worth the money that you're paying. So if you like something, go ahead and buy it, but do read their conditions and policies before you buy. To register on this site and get that 500 rupees coupon, because it's on first purchase you get a straight away 500 rupees discount on a purchase of 999, which is great discount, so you should go for that. I just hope the pickup is done really fast, because or else it's a liability on me. Apart from that, it was good, it was thumbs up. In terms of the shopping experience, I give them around an 7 to 8 out of 10, which is good. Because it's a new site, they are not a big store. You have to take into consideration those things before you order stuff. So that's it for my experience. I will not take it longer, because I have been hearing a lot of people telling me that my videos are really long, and I'm trying to make it shorter as possible. But I want to give you out each and every information that I think it is going to be helpful to you. So if it's a little long, I'm really sorry for that. So that's it. That was my experience. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can visit my blog on www.shopolypass.wordpress.com. Put it down in the description box below. I will put down all the links to my social media on down, so you can check that out. And more videos coming up soon, so be there. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Ciao.